Hello guys, I picked the topic of good learner characteristics from the article, and I kind of figured that you'd rather listen to me instead of hear or see my face all the time. So the article talks about two main researches that were done in 1978 and 1982. The first research by Neil Naiman in 1978 talks about qualities like tolerance of ambiguity, positive task orientation, ego involvement, which means students want to do well, a little bit of because of their ego, or a lot of because of their ego. High aspirations, they want to succeed. Goal orientation and perseverance. The second article about John Rubin and Irene Thompson in 1982 talks about some similar qualities and skills, but, a longer list. This first one is the same, the tolerance of ambiguity. Students which pretty much on their own, they know how to find their way. They don't need to be micromanaged or guided by the teacher all the time. They are creative, they make intelligent guesses. They take opportunities into practice. They are okay making errors and working and making them work for them and not against them. And they use a lot of contextual clues. The article talks about also that some of those skills and values which make students successful are pretty much culture-based. The researches were done in Western countries which value a lot of those skills, like being self-reliant, being tolerant to ambiguity, doing things even if you don't understand them to the end, like reading text or communicating, even if you don't pronounce well and you don't know all the vocabulary. They encourage creative writing, and we expect students to aspire beyond their current level. In the Western world, those are values which are in general everywhere, but we need to be aware that sometimes those are not the case, and we may kind of frustrate students if we kind of push in this direction. To summarize the text about this topic, I took a few items which are very tuned, I think, to the Israeli ESL students and pretty much align well with the Israeli culture. The first one being tolerance of ambiguity, self-reliant students which show initiative and creativity, students which are not afraid of making mistakes and are not shy to read and speak, even though sometimes they don't know all the vocabulary and make mistakes in the pronunciation. And last but not least, students that have a lot of perseverance. And as teachers, we should proactively encourage those skills, which will make students more successful. Thank you very much.